If you have a car in Nigeria and you are just using it to cruise, but you are complaining that you are broke, you need money for this, you need money for that, you are dulling yourself, because cars are not just for flexing. If you really need money, you can use your car to make money. They can be a money making machine. If you want to know how to use them well, watch to the very end of this video, because I'll show you 5 side hustles you can start with your car and start making cool cash. No long talk. I'm going to be very, very quick. It's going to be a very short video. This idea just came to me. You can see the setting is different. And I thought to myself, I always bring you gist. I always bring you updates. You understand? So I thought to myself, I'm sure that there are people who have cars, but are looking for how to raise extra source of income, extra money, and why not do something for them? And I went into, my research mode, and I found some of this side hustle. So this video is not going to be long. It's going to be a very quick video. And I promise you, they have been well researched, and these 5 side simple hustles will bring you a lot of money. So let's go straight to business. Now, number 1 on the list is selling snacks or small items. And for those always on the move here, now let's start with it's very simple. You're always driving around, or you're stuck in traffic. So why not turn your car into a moving store? Yes, you can sell drinks, you can sell gala, you can sell snacks, even recharge card. All those things people are really ready to buy and on impulse in traffic. You can do that. In fact, you can park at a bus stop or at a junction and sell these things. Put them at the back of your car, in the trunk, the boot, and market them. Yeah, you're not paying for shop, you're not doing anything. And if you are thinking, okay, how do I get these things? You can just decide to buy these items in bulk from wholesalers around you, and then keep them in your car boot. If you have drinks, keep them in your car boot. If you have drinks, put them in a cooler rather, and that way people would buy from you. So you can just park at a strategic point where you know that there's always traffic, and yeah, you have your customers on the road. People during traffic or while in the traffic, they buy on impulse. Yeah. So with that, you have your customers. You don't need to do any marketing strategy. Yes, you know how people hawk things. Your own is different. You're selling in a car, right? Now, you can also sell to people around busy spots. You can go to a car park, or you can even go to a workplace. Yes. And then you sell and make small profit here and there. If you sell 500 profit, it would make about 15,000 naira in a month. Yeah. So this is a very easy hustle, low risk, easy cash flow, and no stress. You don't have to start thinking about, marketing. No, this is pretty easy. I promise you. The second one is mobile laundry or car interior. You see, Nigerians love fresh clothing, but they hate stress. And that's where you come in. We know there are many people who would like to go to a laundry store, but the thought of always going there is what stresses them out. So instead of running a full laundry store, just offer to pick up and deliver their clothes to them. Right? You can pick up the clothes for them, take it to the laundry store, and then deliver it to them when it's available. There are busy people in busy places like Lagos. If you're in Lagos, this will work pretty well for you. There are bankers, business owners, working class people. In fact, they will be very happy that you are rendering this service. Now, how do you start? You want to partner with a laundry shop, so you do not have to wash the clothes yourself. Remember, you're just doing delivery. And then you charge for pickup and delivery. Your car is now a laundry Uber. Well, you have to take note of location, right? And the fuel cost. So basically, if you are looking for a side hustle, you have a car, this is for you. But if you have a car and you're a big boy, please, this video is not for you, I beg. So, around you, I'm sure there are laundry mats around you. There are laundry shops around you, and then there are estates around you that you can pitch your ideas to them, people, your neighbors, and tell them, I can deliver and pick up your laundry from the laundromat, and you can charge 2,000 naira per laundry, and just if you do 10 in a week, that's about 80,000 naira in a month extra. This also sweet because people will always need clean clothes and fresh cars, so you can actually do this, trust me. Number 3 is personal shopper and errand service. For those who like movement, you see all these rich people and busy professionals, they don't have time to go to the market to buy groceries or even pick up small items. That is where you come in as a personal shopper and errand services. How do you get started? You offer to buy groceries, pick up parcels, or even deliver food for busy people. Now take note, you want to focus in your area, focus on your area, right? Because you don't want to waste fuel and then you'll be at a loss. You would have to factor in the cost of fuel and then your profits, right? So when you do it around your neighborhood, you are more likely to make profit. So you can use WhatsApp to take orders from clients. You can um tell your neighbors, word of mouth, tell them that you can buy groceries for them, you can pick up parcels, you can deliver food with your car for them. You can basically run errands for them. And then you charge a small service fee per errand, 2 to 5,000 naira, depending on the distance. If you do 4 errands per day at 3,000 naira each, that is 12,000 naira daily. And if you calculate 12,000 naira in a month, that is over 360k in a month. If you sabi move fast and hustle smart, this side hustle will fetch you good money. Now, the fourth side hustle is content creation and vlogging. So let me be honest, if you're always inside your car, you can use this as your mini studio. You can start vlogging. There is a content creator, an actor actually, who does car series where he rants in the car. Yeah, you can start vlogging, making TikTok videos, YouTube videos, or even reviewing trendy topics in the car. You do not need fancy cameras. Like I said earlier, just your phone, know how to use the CapCut app to edit, and good energy, right? So here's how you just get started. Pick a niche. It could be money tips, it could be lifestyle, it could be business ideas, or even car reviews as it is. Just record videos in your car and people would definitely love it, right? That guy, the actor I mentioned that does car series, I totally love his videos. I love his car talks. I love his vibe. He basically just comes and tells you stories of things he saw or he experienced or he heard. And you see people raving in his comments and they love his content. Now, you want to also post consistently on any platform you choose. It could be YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Just be consistent. And then over time, you monetize with ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing, right? It might not pay you instantly, but if you stay consistent, content creation will change your life. Just go online and you will see the testimonies of how people are making money with content creation. The fifth side hustle, which is very sweet, is car hire and special rentals. And that's for those with big, money moves. Those who are looking for the big bucks, Uber and Bolt are cool. But let me tell you, there's a smarter way to make money with your car. Private car hire. Not everyone wants a random taxi. Some people prefer VIP treatment. So you can basically offer your car for private bookings. It could be weddings, it could be business trips, it could even be VIP airport pickups, right? You can look out for short-term rental groups where you can list your cars for hire. So let's say you list your cars and you charge around 30,000 naira for a weekend. And you do that 4 times in a month. How much is that? 120k. You cannot tell me that you spent 120k during the 4 weekends. It's not possible, right? So this side hustle works best if your car is neat, comfortable, and fuel efficient. If you are using all these V8 engines, you are using big cars. Now you and God know, because I don't know how you want to make up for your money, but all the same, I'm sure you can charge according to your car. If you're using very newer models or you're using an expensive car, I'm sure you can charge more than 30,000 naira because you are giving them a VIP offer, right? And I'm sure if they see your car and how much you charge, they will definitely want to pay because, these people who are hiring your cars are the big boys and the big girls, right? So this hustle is a very, very sweet one. And that's it. The 5 hustles you can do with your car if you are looking to make extra money. So let me know which of these side hustles you are going to try first, if you're going to try any. And if you know anyone who has a car and is always complaining on how broke they are, please send them this video so they can start making the extra bucks with their car. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. Let's talk money. And if you found this video helpful as well, please like this video, subscribe, and I promise to keep dropping real money making tips every week. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.